held like this to avoid water go inside to your mouth later on.
Okay.
Okay? If there's water, okay, if there's water inside to your mouth, you only have to do is swallow. It's called water. No.
Akala ko totoo.
Akala ko totoo. Okay. Okay. Now, in a teaspoon of water, water just only here. We just kneel down. Kneel down, kneel down. If we kneel down, water just above to your head, right?
Yeah.
We practice remove your regulator from your mouth. Okay? So if we remove this one, water go inside, right? So now, if we put it back, there's water inside. There's two techniques how to clear water inside. Two ways how to clear water inside. The first technique is, if you put it back, blow. Waters come out in here. Before you inhale and exhale. Only to your mouth, Inhale. Exhale. Only mouth. Get it? Second technique. For example, we don't have extra air to your lungs to blow. No more air. Like this. Your tongue. Block in here. Yung dila, block here. And then push this one. Waters come out. Get it? Kuha?
Kuya, you push your hand o tongue itong pupush?
Lock your tongue.
Oo.
Push this one here.
Get. Okay. Okay, get.
Takpan mo gamit yung dila
Tapos ipupush using your hand.
para may hangin ka.
Oo.
А если у тебя в носик нету воздуха, тебе надо заходить, ты коснешься, подальше попадет туда, то ты просто языком закрываешь эту перегородку и пальцем нажимаешь там какая-то ступень. Да.
Okay.
И вода уходит оттуда. Потом уже...
Again, again. First technique is slow. Second, no more air. Like this. Tongue. Okay? And then push. Get it? Okay? Okay?
Yes.
Make sure again, because I have many divers. Okay? Morning dive. Left. Like this. Water go inside. Full of water. Okay? Okay? And then, I don't like also you guys breathing like this. No. Okay? I'm not teaching you like that. If I saw underwater, I go your left. Okay? I want you guys enjoy, relax. Okay? Because even you guys, you don't know how to swim. Okay? Even you don't know how to swim, you guys don't worry. No problem. Because two people is one dive master holding you guys. They swim with you. They holding you, swim with you. And then me, front. I'm taking pictures and videos. Okay? Make sure, Again. Lips. And then look around. Okay? Mini fish. Coral. Okay? No need to swim like this. No. Shark. Manta-ray. No. No shark, no shark. Okay? Now, if you guys want to kiss underwater, dive master, count on you guys. 1, 2, 3. This one, inhale. Remove this one down. Kiss. And then put it back. And then clear water inside the two ways. Blowing method or push the button in here. Okay?
Parang wag na.
If you guys also,
No.
if you don't want to kiss, if you want to take pictures with Nemo, clownfish is there, big corals, Nemo is there. If you want to take pictures without your regulator, inhale, remove, Nemo is there, smile, picture, and then put it back in the clear water.
Yun yung ginagawa kanina ng ano natin.
Correct? Do you have any question here?
No.
No more? No more? Any question? No more? If you guys if you cannot do it, if still water inside, you only have to do is just stand up. Because water just only here. We practice until you guys okay before we go out for both sides.
Okay.
Get it?
Okay.
Okay? Very good. Any question? If there's no question here, we go for the math. This one, Okay, this one here, guys, don't worry about this one. Me or the dive master taker this one with you guys later on. Okay,
Okay.
don't worry ito, You only have to do is just breathing in here. Hinga lang dito, Just breathe here. We taker this one with you guys later on. Okay, we go for the math. Diving mask, this one is very important. Diving mask, we have here, we call it nose bucket. Okay, for our nose. Because right now, here in a surface, our eardrum is normal like this, right? Later on, when we go down, pressure push the eardrum and then make like this. Okay, we feel very discomfort underwater or masakit. It's pain. So the technique is two fingers, pinch your nose like this, and blow gently to your ears, and then you feel your ears pop. Like in an airplane. Can you please try? Please try. Pinch your nose. Pop, right? Still pop.
Kaya ko yun ang walang ganun dyan.
Okay, this one very important because later on,
Ewan ko,
we
parang
get
nako-compress ko
going
dito
down,
yung hang.
and then we start equally.
Yun yung ginagawa ko
Okay.
kanina sa ilalim eh. Hindi ako gano'n.
Okay, second exercise for the mask. Let's say water inside your mask. Water inside, underwater. So if there's water inside to your mask, we guys no need to go up to the surface and then remove water inside your mask. No need. Underwater, we can clear water inside your mask. How to do it? Like this. Okay? If there's water inside your mask, you only have to do is inhale from your regulator, from here. 2 fingers. Hold the top of the mask. Hold like this. Look up. Water here, right? Exhale to your nose. Waters come out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Good luck. Good luck. Ano? Inhale. Tapos exhale.
Parang sisinga lang sisinga.
Okay, lumabas.
Ito ihawak ko din. So, try ko ngayon.
Like this, Look what? Like this. Inhale. Hold. And then blow. Exhale to your nose. Water came out. Don't remove this one, huh? Maybe you remove this one.
You'll die.
Okay? Don't remove, don't remove. And also, if you guys do it equalize, just fit in here. Maybe you do it like this. This one, this one here. This one is rubberized. Okay? Oh my God. Okay, do you have any question here? No more? Okay, if there's no question in here, we go for the underwater hand signal. Because underwater, no more blah blah blah. Okay? So this one here is okay. Remember, maybe later on, I'm asking you guys, are you okay? Maybe you said, Bong, I'm okay. This one here is going up. Okay, this one okay, this one going up, going down, and then problem. Okay, please, you guys, if you have problem, you point. For example, problem, yung tinga ko, masakit. Okay? Problem, my mask. Problem, my regulator, this one. You have to point. So the dive master at the back know what is your problem. Not only go up, go up. We don't know what is your problem. Okay? You point, Oh. Ulit-ulit na lang. Point, point. Okay. And then this one here, picture. Okay. Pag picture naman, a picture, you only have to do is inhale, stop, and then I'm taking pictures with you guys. Because if you poo, bubble. Remember, I'm picture like this. Because after the dive, maybe look to your phone, your picture is all bubbles. It's not my mistake. Okay? And then this one here is video. Ito video, video. If video, you guys no need to hold your breath. Okay? No need, video, Okay. If, because my one hand, I'm holding camera, right? Tapos, I'm signal like this with you guys. This one here is hard. Hard. Okay? For example, girlfriend, boyfriend, you do it like this. And then I'm taking pictures with you guys. Because this morning, you know what happened, bro? The girl goes like this. And then the guy look around. Maybe other girlfriend. Babaero. Okay? Can you please go there? And then wear your wetsuit. Okay, over.
Если он делает вот так, то это вам нужно делать.